This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Mercedes-Benz S550. This four-door sedan has a 7-speed automatic transmission, a 5.5-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a sunroof, active ventilated front seats, high-intensity headlights, a premium audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, an Airmatic active suspension with an active damping system, cornering lights, the pre-safe collision mitigation system, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, front and rear floor mats, rear-mounted side airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has less than 32,000 miles. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Thank you for considering Mercedes-Benz of Westchester for your next luxury vehicle. We are conveniently located at 1260 Wilmington Pike in Westchester. We look forward to serving you.